This creature has no brain, no heart, no bones, and no blood, but it's very much alive. Meet the jellyfish, one of the oldest living things on Earth. They've been here for over 500 million years. Instead of a brain, their entire body is basically one giant nerve net. They sense and react to everything around them without a single thought. One species, the Toratopsis dohrnii, can actually reverse its own aging and go back to being a baby. Scientists call it biologically immortal. The ocean has been hiding this thing for 500 million years. What else is down there? Follow for more.